I would like to show you what's happening in this TV. It's an LG 55 inch. That happened is when I turn it on, as you can see in all around the screen, you can see white points. That tells us that it's a backlight issue. So keep watching this video and I'll show you how to fix it. So okay, here we have the TV on the table. As I told you before, I recommend you use a blanket to protect your screen. So now all the tool that we need is just a screwdriver. Sorry for the sun. A Phillips screwdriver. You have to remove all the screw around the screen. In order to take this panel out. Okay guys, here we are. So we already took out the back panel. So next step to do is we have to remove a little screws here, and there are another one here. We have to remove this screw and that one in order to take this panel out like this, because we have another screw here and another here, and all around these edges we have these is small screwdrivers. Screws. We have to remove it all around in order to have, you're gonna see, take this panel out. So that's the only way to make it out. I'm gonna show you here. Oh, it's separate there. Okay, let's turn in the TV and see what happened with the backlights. Okay, I forgot to mention that the next step is I decided to remove the power panel and the Wi-Fi due to I have to remove also, or maybe I have to just move this. Be careful with this because this is a part of the screen. You have to remove this panel. To do that, you have to remove the speakers. So the speaker is just gonna snap it in here. So you just have to snap it out. Remove the connectors. To remove this connector, you just have to make a kind of pressure here. So you see how the click just open and make you able to pull it out. So after that, just remove those screws. I already did here, just this little piece of metal. So then you have to snap this out and pull it out. So So we have to remove this little control because that's the LCD screen communication. To remove this, you have to pull this out see if I can catch it in. As you can see here, just it's like a little drop, and just pull it out candidly, and voila. So we're gonna take this out candidly, and then we can put this out from this way in order to remove the panel and everything, and we're gonna see the LCD. Okay, we have to take this from here, take this out from here, candidly, and here, and for here. That's why I'm using laser gloves. Okay, just like that. Okay, be careful with the screen. This is the LCD screen. Hopefully I did not scratch it, because when I remove this frame, the screen, the LCD screen shouldn't move. But well, I just tape it. Hopefully it's okay, so we'll see. Anyway, put in the safe place. I put on the bed, so to protect the. Sorry for the mess. Okay, now we have here with the entire TV. Basically, remove the screen, remove the panel LCD. So we have to remove this secondary frame. So the way to remove it is, if you see here, sorry for the zoom, there are some clips, several clips in all around the sides that you have to take it out. Okay, you have to just snap it out, and this entire frame is gonna just go down. So it's gonna put the camera here in, so we'll see what happened here. So as soon as I remove this frame, then we have some layers. So this name like the diffusers. Okay, just kindly we have to take these two layers and put it somewhere. Well, maybe this way. Okay, here we are. Now we have here, I don't know if you can see, they have a little plugs. It's like a little things that must be attached and hooked in the little hole there. I don't know how to really explain that, but if you see the little 3 points around the LED, for example, let's see here. If you see in the middle, we have the LED light. Around we have like 3 points around. So this must plug in. I don't know even how they get out of. But this was a TV that they did a moving, so it's all that we have to do. You just put it all of them back and see. Now I have to check if all the LEDs are right. I mean, I'm working, but this is really stupid. Maybe I have to put crazy glue. I don't know. So I'm just gonna put it back and see if it works again. But it looks like when they didn't move it, it broke. Yeah, I have to put candle pressure, and I don't know if it's okay to put pressure there. Okay. Let me go a little bit. So all those that we have here, we have to put it in each one. So basically, he'll spread the light to make like a diffusing. I don't know how to say it, but it's like a in order that you can see the light is not focused on one point. You just to make it's like a primary diffuser. Shoot, the thing is broke. Let me check all those first. Okay, doesn't matter. So well, let's put all those together again. Okay, so we can see here, I already put all the little diffusers back to the light. But let me tell you something. I mean, to be honest, this backlight have to be changed due to those that are not working. The lights that are not lying at all have to be replaced. Maybe I put some crazy glue or super glue, so maybe that's gonna work for a while. But there are some lights that start oh, this one need to be touched better. So there are some lights that so I'm gonna replace the entire panel. So in the next video I'm gonna show you how to replace it. We have to remove this frame here. We have to remove this panel in order to take this out. Yeah, I have to fix on. Because this is gonna get in trouble again. It's gonna fall out and start. There are some that start not flashing. This one and this one, so need to be replaced. Okay, here we go. We have the TV back. As you can see, the pictures looks really great, and despite of we have a couple lights off, it's still doing great. That's why sometimes in some couple pictures you're gonna see a little dark stain. Sorry, because I have the TV over, but otherwise it's working fine. And thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to follow me to more videos.